Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, children.
Good evening, sir.
Yes, today, shall we? Which topic will go with today? Tell me.
Anything, sir.
No. You tell me the topic name so that we'll go with that. Anything means term two. If you what do you call that? If you're not enough confident in a particular topic, so that we can just uh, discuss accordingly. Tell me.
So surface area involvement.
Okay. What about others?
Yes, sir. The same.
It's fine with me, sir.
Yes.
Fine. Guys, what about girls?
Yes,
Girls,
sir, it's fine with me also.
what about Diksha, Tanvi? Tanvi, are you here? Tanvi is not here, I think. Okay. Just give me a second. बेटा एक मिनट दीजिए मुझे just a minute. Only 1 second. In some way, this is missing. Yes. Now, can you see the screen? आप यार स्क्रीन को देख सकते हो मेरी आवाज आपको आ रही? Guys, getting my point? Are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir. We can.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you see the screen clearly now?
No, sir.
If connection is
You aren't sharing, sir. Actually.
no. Actually, it is a problem for mindset. Actually, just a minute. Now, yes. Surface areas and volumes. I think Shadab are you here? Shadab did not join today. No. Okay. So guys, how many of you started writing what do you call your quizzes? I mean, like no quizzes, not quizzes. Practicing questions, everything.
So the worksheet?
Yeah, worksheet I have given to you.
There are not sample papers, but I practice random questions.
Okay. Okay. The question is, a canal is 300 centimeter wide, 120 centimeter deep. Okay. The water in the canal, is flowing at a speed of kilometer per hour. How much area will it irrigate in 20 minutes if 8 centimeter of 8 centimeter of standing water is desired? Okay. Guys, take a question. I'll just 1 second. Please, everyone, take this question. Make it fast. Done. Make it fast. Make it fast. Guys, I don't see.
Sir, you're
any-
not sharing your screen.
No, no, no. You didn't you write the question? Hello. I'm asking, didn't you write the question?
Yes, sir, I'm actually solving it. Yes.
Make it fast. Make it fast. I'll be sharing it. I'm just taking up the questions. Then you can't take much time, beta. You can't take much time. See, don't write neatly everything. थोड़ा उसको decorate मत कीजिए. Make it fast. You can just solve in a faster manner. Shut up. Good evening. Why are you late? Okay, shut up. What's the answer, beta? See, a canal is 300 centimeter wide and 120 meter, 120 centimeter deep. How many of you got the answer? It is not a big deal to solve, beta. Very simple question. Dekho. 1 second. Can you see the screen here properly? 3 centimeter wide है, 300 centimeter wide, 120 meter. Okay, width is this much, depth is height. Water in the canal is flowing at the speed of this much. How much area will it irrigate in 20 minutes if 8 centimeter of standing water is desired? बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन है जी के वॉल्यूम ऑफ 1 घंटे में, like, what is the capacity of that particular canal to flow in 1 hour? 1 घंटे में कितना वाटर फ्लो कर सकता है वो कैनाल से? टेल मी. ऑफ कोर्स वॉल्यूम ऑफ द कैनाल is equal width into depth of that particular canal. Clear? ठीक है. Hello. Depth of the canal as well as what is the speed here? What is the speed? What is the speed? Speed of the canal water, जो canal में water flow कर रहा है ना, कितना speed से जा रहा है. ठीक है. कितना स्पीड से बहा रहा है. ठीक है. सो विथ 20 centimeter. So he has given, look at this here, depth how much given? Depth centimeter, ये भी centimeter, and speed how much given? 20 kilometer per hour. Okay, fine. So guys, look at this, 300 kilometer, 300 centimeter, 120 centimeter. Speed how much? 20 kilometer per hour. तो for writing in terms of centimeter, तो ये बहुत बड़ा हो जाएगा. So can I write in meters, guys? Guys, this 20 kilometer, if I write in centimeter, it will be a very big number. So let us write in meters. So 300 centimeters, 3 meters. 120 meters, 120 centimeters, 1.2 meters. Getting my point? आपको
Yes, sir.
समझ में आ रहा है ना? People getting my
Sir.
point, right? Into speed. What is the speed given here? 20 kilometer per hour. 20 kilometer per hour. 20 किलोमीटर पर हार, तो मीटर में कन्वर्ट कर रहे तो 20 किलोमीटर इंटू 1000. ठीक है. 1 मीटर 1 किलोमीटर 1000 मीटर, राइट? सो 20 into 1000. ठीक है. एनी डाउट्स हियर? सो दिस इज इन मीटर्स. मीटर, सो मीटर क्यूब. Am I correct? Am I correct,
Yes.
children? So it should be in meter cube. Yes, someone was asking. Yogesh, I think. Yogesh?
Sir, is the answer 4.32?
Not really, beta. Look at this. So in 20 minutes, time कितना है? In 20 minutes, देखो, what is the question? In 20 minutes, if 8 centimeter of the standing water is desired, in 20 minutes, what is the capacity of that canal? 20 meters में what is the volume of that particular canal? देखो, so how much you get here? देखो, इसको calculate कीजिए तो 3 into 1.2, 3.6, so 72. 72 कितना? 0 1 2 3
72,000, sir.
हाँ. देखो बेटा इधर 12, this will get cancelled, right? So that's how I get 72,000. समझ में आ रहा है ना? 72 मीटर क्यूब, राइट? सो 20 मिनट्स में, तो 20 मिनट्स इज नथिंग बट, देखो, इन 72,000 मीटर क्यूब आउट ऑफ 60, तो 60/60 कितना मिलेगा? हाउ मच? 0 0 7 16 2 3 0 24,000
24,000.
24,000 मीटर क्यूब. ठीक है, so this is what I get now. So what I need here, the area irrigated in 20 minutes, 8 centimeter. If 8 centimeter of standing water is desired, okay, so which means what? Kitna meter? 8 centimeters nothing but what? 8 centimeters nothing but 0.08. Am I correct? 0.08 meters of standing water is आपको चाहिए. Am I correct? तो 24,000 meter में how much area? I need area. So this much. What is this? 24,000 meter cube is what? 20 minutes में कितना पानी उसमें like डाल सकते हो? Volume of the canal 20 minutes, right? So that upon 8 centimeters. 8 centimeter में, guys, this is in meters, so in fact you have to write 8 centimeters also in terms of meters. समझ में आ रहा है आपको? So 8 upon 100, तो 24,000 divided by 0.08. ठीक है? So how can I just write this? Or else you do one thing, बेटा इसको क्या करेंगे, ऐसा नहीं लिखेंगे, इसको मैंने क्या करूंगा, ऊपर भेज दूंगा. Let me just write. So
100 by 8.
100 8 8 ones 8 threes 3 zeros. So how much you get बेटा? 3 lakhs. Am I correct? 3 lakhs. इधर मीटर है, इधर भी मीटर क्यूब था, इधर मीटर है, तो मैंने क्या करूंगा, मीटर स्क्वायर आ जाएगा मुझे. Am I correct?
Yes.
ये मीटर में है ना अभी 8 by 100 मीटर्स, तो मीटर मीटर तो मीटर स्क्वायर भेजेगा मुझे. ठीक है, सो व्हाट आई नीड हियर 3 lakhs मीटर स्क्वायर एरिया इज माय आंसर. ठीक है, एनी डाउट्स गाइस, एनी डाउट्स?
Yes.
होप इट इज क्लियर विद एवरीवन.
Sir, can you explain the last step?
1 सेकंड बेटा, 1 मिनट, मैंने थोड़ा स्पेस क्रिएट कर रहा हूँ इधर. विच वन? दिस वन?
Sir, when you take 24,000 meters cubed and equate it with the area of the field.
I didn't get it. This step you this step?
Yes, sir.
हाँ बेटा, मैंने क्या किया इधर देखो, आपको you didn't see the question, I think. Look at it. क्वेश्चन में क्या दिया है, 8 सेंटीमीटर याद किया. ठीक है, आई गॉट इन टर्म्स ऑफ मीटर हियर, तो मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, 8 सेंटीमीटर को मैंने मीटर में कन्वर्ट कर रहा हूँ. गेट माय पॉइंट?
Yes, sir.
दैट्स हाउ आई रोट देयर. 8 by 100 ही है ना, 8 by 100, 8 सेंटीमीटर इज नथिंग बट 0.08 meters. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
So 0.08 can be written as like this. So I wrote that step like that. Okay, 1 second guys, I think I'm not able to look at this question here, everyone. Oh, I think guys, everyone solve the question which I'm giving here now.
Sir, why did you take 100 by 8?
I reciprocal it बेटा, उसको मैंने क्या किया, reciprocal. एक आपको ऐसे नहीं समझ में आ रहा तो क्या करेंगे?
Yes, sir. 0.8 should be 8 by 10, right?
No, this is 0.08. 8 by 100 को कैसे लिख सकते हो आप? How do you write that? Shut up. Getting my
Yes,
point?
sir. Understood.
So 24,100. I'm reciprocaling it. So ये मिलेगा, तो 8 3s 30. So 3 lakhs meter square. But you can write in terms of I just solved entire question in terms of meters. So yeah. One second. Oh. Everyone solve the second question here. This question. Everyone solve this question. Second one. Make it fast, guys. Only 2 minutes of time. Don't don't solve it fairly. Roughly, you solve it and just tell me. Let me clear this place. Sorry, 1 second. Now tell me, what is the second question? What is the second question answer here? What is the second question answer? Any doubt? I mean, guys, are you able to solve the question? It's a very simple.
Yes, sir.
Two cones have their heights in the ratio 1:3 and radii in the ratio 3:1. What is the ratio of their volume? देखो बहुत आसान का सवाल है. देखो आसान सा सवाल. Let me tell you guys. Very simple question. Cone. He's talking about cone. Ratio of the heights of two cones he has given here. So what is the ratio? Radii, right? So radii is, sorry, the height. This height, right? So height ratio.
Sir, is it 1:27?
No. 1:27. No.
Sorry. I took the radii opposite side.
Okay, radii is what? 3:1. Correct. So देखो height A है तो one height, if one height is h, then another height is going to be 3h. Correct? Yes or no, people? Hello. If one first one is 3, then another क्या होगा 3. Guys, if I just solve this, I'll get this again, right? Yes or no, guys?
Sir, is 3:1.
Yes. 3:1. What is the volume of the cone?
1/3 pi r square.
Volume of the cone is what? 1/3 pi r square h. So I have two cones here. So 1/3 r1 h1 is to मुझे चाहिए ratio, right? So ratio of volume of the cone. So 1/3 pi r2 square h2. ठीक है? So 1/3 pi will get cancelled. R1 square is what? What is R1 square here? 3r square h1. What is h1? This one. East R2 is how much? H2 is 3h. Any doubts? Any doubts in writing this? So 9r square into h divided by, you write like this, r square in 3h. 3r square h. So h will get cancelled, r square will get cancelled. So 3 1 is 3 3. So 3:1 is the answer. How many of you did this? What about others? I got the answer from only shut up. What about others? I got
Got it,
answer
sir.
only from shut up. Any doubts, people?
No, sir, no doubt.
Next question. Anudeep, are you here? Amrita, are you able to follow? Tushar,
Yes, sir.
Ashish, योगेश, और कौन बचा है? Who is left again? Shut up. तुषार, उद्भव, after a long time उद्भव is joining. उद्भव, आप कुछ नहीं बोल रहे हो भाई, थोड़ा बात कर लीजिए, थोड़ा रेस्पॉन्ड कर लीजिए, तभी रेस्पॉन्ड किया करो उद्भव क्लास में प्लीज. उद्भव, आर यू हियर? हेलो just जब भी like you can't join like once in a blue moon. ठीक है, don't join the class once in a blue moon, join the class every day. Make sure that you are joining the class on everyday basis and just कुछ ना कुछ फायदा उठाना चाहिए क्लास का. सिंपली ज्वाइनिंग लीविंग, आज क्लास ज्वाइन किया तो फिर 10 दिन के बाद ज्वाइन करना, ऐसा मत कीजिए प्लीज. Udbhav, I don't see regularity. I don't see the consistency in joining the class. Udbhav, it shouldn't happen, beta. Udbhav, getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Hello, hello.
Yes, sir.
Why don't you join the classes regularly?
Sir, is it 363 children?
Yes. How many of you got this?
Yes, sir. I got 363.
Very good, very good. A cubical ice cream brick of edge 22 centimeter is to be distributed among some children by filling ice cream cones of the radius 2 centimeter and height 7 centimeters up to its brim. How many children will get the ice cream cones? Very, very good question. Simple question. ज़्यादा चिंता होने वाली क्वेश्चन भी नहीं है, ज़्यादा सताने वाला क्वेश्चन भी नहीं है. वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन है. ठीक है, very simple guys. Is talking about what cone?
The 363 cones.
363. पहले वॉल्यूम फाइंड आउट कीजिए. फर्स्ट वॉल्यूम फाइंड आउट कीजिए. वी नीड नंबर ऑफ, हाउ मेनी चिल्ड्रन, वी नीड नंबर ऑफ चिल्ड्रन. सो व्हाट यू डू, जस्ट सॉल्व इट अकॉर्डिंगली. गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? फर्स्ट I don't know the number of the students, so let me take x. So volume of the cone, volume of the cone, volume of the cone is equal to volume of क्या, cubicle some ice cream box. ठीक है, वॉल्यूम ऑफ क्यूबिकल आइसक्रीम बॉक्स. 1 सेकंड, आइसक्रीम बॉक्स थोड़ा देखो, आइसक्रीम थोड़ा इसको फाइंड आउट कर लीजिए and just calculate and find the value of x there. Very simple. Next question. 3 cubes of metal whose edges are in the ratio 3:4. Yogesh, are you here, Yogesh? 3 cubes of
Yes, sir.
metal whose edges are in the ratio 3:4:5 are melted and converted into a single cube whose diagonally is 12√3 centimeters. Find the edges of the 3 cubes. Very good question. Yes, Yogesh, getting my point? Understood the question?
Yes, sir. And
How the class?
So should I tell the answer with the √3 value?
Sorry?
No, sir. I'm getting edges as 24√3, 32√3, and 20√3.
No, 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 no. No, basically volume of the cube क्या होता है? Hello? The edges he has given
Side
the
cube.
ratio. Okay. Okay, look at this here. Edges given 3:4:5. 3:4:5. So let me take the ratios are like 3x. I mean edges are like 3x, 4x and 5x. ऐसा कुछ भी ले लेते हैं, ठीक है? I don't know the exact the value, right? So let me take 3x, 4x, 5x respectively. So देखो 3 cubes of metal whose edges are melted and converted. इसको guys after melting, तो melting करने के बाद तो cube, what is the cube of the cube? What is the cube of the? What is the volume of the cube? Volume of cube is what? A cube. बेटा volume of cube क्या होता है? A cube formula. So 3x cube. इसका भी 4x cube. Okay. And 5x cube. So after melting this, what I'm getting? After melting this, how much you are getting? Melting मतलब सब एक ही जगह करके melt करता है ना, guys.
168x cube.
1 second. So 3x cube. थोड़ा पेन, मेरा पेन अच्छा नहीं वर्क कर रहा है. 4x cube, 5x cube. Together we made so 27, 64, 125. 3 cube is 27x cube. Am I correct? 4 cube is 64x cube. Am I correct? 5 cube is 125x cube. Am I correct? 27 plus 64 plus 125 gives you 216x cube. Centimeter, yes, it is in centimeter. So let us take centimeter cube. Okay, okay, people. So what can we do here now? Converted into a single cube whose diagonal. What is a diagonal, guys? See, after converted, we got like, this one, right? This is the volume of the new cube. This is the volume of new cube. Am I correct? So after melting, what we got? This is the 216 centimeter cube. I got 1 second. Yes. So volume of new cube is, let us write, which be a cube. How much? 216x cube. Okay. Getting my point? What is a value then? What is a value here? What is a value? 6 into 6 into
Sir, it's saying that the diagonal of the new cube is 12 root 3, right?
Yes. What is the formula for diagonal? We'll come to that. No problem. Wait. What is the a value here? What is a value, beta? A value is 6x. Am I correct? Okay. Now what exactly has given here? Guys, side is this much, then diagonal क्या होता है? What is the diagonal? What is diagonal? Diagonal of that particular cube is 12 root 3 centimeter. Single cube whose diagonal is 12 root 3 centimeter. What is the diagonal formula? बेटा बताइए मुझे. Guys, diagonal formula will be a direct formula. Tell me.
The root 3 by 2a.
A root 3 होता है. A root 3. A root 3 is equal to 12 root 3 given. A root 3 is equal. Guys, open your textbook and just have a look at the diagonal वाला cube का diagonal, please. देखो root 3 cancel हो जाएगा तो मुझे a का value कितना मिलेगा? How much I get a value? 12. Okay, people. So a value 12 I got. A value 12 I got. Then what is going to be my x value? इसको मैंने first equation तो a का value 12 है तो x का value कितना होगा? How much I get, beta? 12 is equal to 6x. So 6 1 6 2. So x is gonna be the 2. X is going to be 2. Am I correct? So each side क्या होगा? देखो 3x is nothing but 3 into 2, which is going to give me 6. 4 into x, which is going to give me, sorry, 4, right? In fact, 8. 4 to 8. So 5x, 5 into 2, 10. So these are the, what he has asked. Find the edges. So these are the edges. Edges in what? What is unit? सेंटीमीटर. देखो बेटा, सब्जेक्टिव पेपर में ये यूनिट बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. आप नहीं लिख रहे हो तो आपका मार्क कट जाएगा 100%. ठीक है guys, you will lose your marks if you are not writing units after finding the solution of a particular question, right? Next question, hope it is clear बेटा. So ध्यान दीजिए, देखो ये फॉर्मूला क्या होता है. डायगोनल ऑफ अ सिंगल क्यूब क्या होता है? देखो ये होता है ए स्क्वायर प्लस ए स्क्वायर प्लस ए स्क्वायर. दिस गिव्स मी 3 टाइम्स ऑफ ए स्क्वायर. तो ये कैंसिल हो जाएगा. 1 सेकंड बेटा, ये क्या हो जाएगा? ऐसा नहीं कैंसिल कर सकते हो डायरेक्टली. देखो मैंने थोड़ा इसको डायरेक्टली लिखूंगा ऐसा, रूट 3 इंटू रूट ए स्क्वायर. हमें करेक्ट? नहीं तो आपको ऐसा नहीं समझ में आ रहा है तो ऐसा लिख लेंगे, रूट 3 ए स्क्वायर. करेक्ट? करेक्ट. 3 टाइम्स ऑफ ए स्क्वायर. तो इसको थोड़ा स्प्लिट कीजिए ऐसा, तो ये कैंसिल हो गया, मुझे ये मिलेगा. दिस इज व्हाट आई रिमेन विथ. दैट इज अ फॉर्मूला आई हैव यूज्ड हियर. एम आई करेक्ट? दिस इज अ फॉर्मूला आई हैव यूज्ड हियर to find out the value of a. Hope it is clear. We'll move forward without any delay.
Yes, sir.
Find the number of solid. Diksha, Batina are able to understand. Amrita understanding.
Yes, sir.
Perfect.
Yes, sir.
So find the number of solid spheres, each of the diameter 6 centimeter, that can be
Sir, is
made.
the
by
answer 5?
Yes, beta. Very good. So you go for the next question. I'll just show this question. You go for this next question. What is your name? Shut up.
Yes.
Go for this question. Okay. So find the number of solid spheres, each of the diameter 6 centimeter, that can be made by melting a solid metal cylinder of height 45 centimeter and diameter 4 centimeter. Oh, okay. देखो, the number of solid spheres, each of diameter 6 centimeter, that can be made by. हाँ, ध्यान से पढ़िए क्वेश्चन को. Diameter how much he has given? Diameter 6. Diameter. Diameter of, first you just write the given thing. Solid sphere is equal to 6 centimeter given, and sphere का diameter 6 है. Guys, we have sphere's diameter is 6 here. Then what exactly the cylinder's diagram? Okay, cylinder's diagram 4 दिया है, तो diameter of the cylinder 4 centimeter. Okay, and height of the cylinder given how much? And height how much beta? 45 centimeter. Okay, guys, here what is going to be my radius of the cylinder? I mean radius of the sphere क्या हो जाएगा? Height, I mean what is the diameter क्या होगा बेटा? Diameter देखो, yes, diameter is 6, तो radius उसमें, radius is going to be half of that, 3 centimeter. And what is the radius of the cylinder? Radius of the cylinder क्या हो जाएगा? Height of, guys, what is the radius of the cylinder? बताइए मुझे.
4 centimeters.
Consider this is R1, ये मेरा R2 हो जाएगा. What is that? 4/2, which gives me 2 centimeter. Am I correct? Yes. So height of the cylinder given 45 centimeter. What he is asking us to find the number of solid spheres. Find the number of solid spheres. I do not know how many. 1 second. Let us say that. 1 second. थोड़ा space create कर लीजिए. Shut up. I think you just copied this question. So let us create. Let me create some space. I'm pushing this diagram थोड़ा down. Shut up.
Yes, sir.
I think you just had the given
Yes, sir, I'm
data.
solving it.
Yes,
No problem.
yes, no problem, right? Perfect. So height of the cylinder is 45 centimeter. Perfect. So we need what? We need to find out number of cylinders. So let 1 second. Let number of cylinder, if I take x, then x is x into volume of sphere is equal to volume of the cylinder. From these two things I need, right? Find the number of solid spheres, each diameter. Volume of, what is the volume of sphere बेटा? Sphere का volume होता है बेटा 4/3 pi r cube is equal to volume of cylinder क्या होता है? Pi r square h. Okay, हाँ, ध्यान से सुनिए. देखो बेटा, ये इनफैक्ट I took r1 here and r2 here, तो मुझे इसको r1 लिखना चाहिए, इसको r2 लिखना चाहिए. ठीक है, x into 4/3 into, in fact here you can cancel pi and pi value on either of the sides. You can't cancel radius and radius here beta. देखो r1 and r2 both are different here. R1 is spheres, I mean the radius of sphere, and r2 is radius of the cylinder. You can't cancel that. So r1 is what? 3 cube. So r2, 1 second, let me cancel this by here. What is r2? R2 is 2 square into height. Height how much given? Height of the cylinder is given 45. Directly see the, like find out kar lo either, make it fast. Any doubts? So three ones, three ones. mm,
Sir, is it
Yes.
5?
4 will get cancelled. 4 will get cancelled beta. Yes, 5 beta. So देखो very good. So x into 3 square 9, 45. So 9 ones, 9 fives. X value 5. So 5, 5 solid sphere. How many? 5 solid spheres which we need, each 6 centimeter diameter, that can made by melting a solid metal cylinder and height of 45 and diameter 4 centimeter. Hope it is clear, beta. We'll move forward now. Very good question. Just have a look at this question. Rashid got playing top as his birthday present, which surprisingly had no color on it. He wanted to color it with his crayons. The top is shaped like a cone surmounted by a hemisphere. ध्यान से सुनिए, लैंग्वेज ऑफ द क्वेश्चन को ध्यान से अंडरस्टैंड कीजिए. The entire top is 5 centimeters in height and the diameter of the top is 3.5 centimeters. Find the area he has to color. So very, very beautiful question. Very, very fantastic question. I need an answer. Make it fast. Try solving this. If at all you are not getting any approach, do let me know within. देखो बेटा, I won't give much time. I'll give 1 minute of time. Tell me your approach. If at all you are not getting your approach, if at all you are not able to understand anything to do, then you just let me know, sir, we are not getting. We'll go
Sir,
ahead.
actually, I know the approach. Can I tell the approach?
Yes, please.
Sir, he has to color the lattu or the top, which means that he has to color the lateral surface area of the hemisphere and the lateral surface area of the cone. Lateral surface area of hemisphere is 2 pi r square.
Curved.
So yeah, sorry, curved surface area. Yeah,
Hmm.
I keep saying lateral surface.
Right.
Curved surface area of hemisphere plus curved surface area of cone. So curved surface area of hemisphere is 2 pi r square and cone is pi r l. So taking pi r common, we are left with 2 r plus l.
Perfect.
And we solve like that.
Right. You are right. Then make it fast. Yes, थोड़ा calculation बड़ा हो सकता है. Guys, the calculation might go somewhat lengthy, but in fact you can make it out very easily. देखो थोड़ा मैंने
So
diagram.
just one small thing. How do we find L here?
But L is what? Slant height. Direct formula we have. L का
Yes, sir.
formula.
It's root r square plus h square. But
One second.
here I think the calculation will become very big.
हाँ.
If we do
See,
r square plus h square.
See, whenever you have such type of big calculation, guys, in fact, this is a long answer type question, not short answer. So whatever the questions which we have solved earlier, I mean, like a couple of minutes back, we have solved, right? The questions whichever we have solved is, above questions all are like, these are short answer questions. And the question which I am just presenting in front of you now, that is a long answer question. Okay. Calculation, like, might go somewhat lengthy.
Sir, L is root 5.
Root 5 nahi beta. No. You are not even no. Let me tell you what.
Sir, L is 5.29.
5.29 no. See, first what we need here beta, मुझे चाहिए find the area he has to color. ठीक है. First मुझे क्या चाहिए? Total surface area. Am I correct? Total surface area. तो total surface area is what? मुझे इसका and इसका curved surface area CSA of, as you said Anadip, CSA of किसका?
Sir, I'm getting L as root 218 by 4.
No. We'll. I'll just come to you. Wait. CSA of hemisphere plus CSA of what? Cone. Am I correct? As we know that, beta. As we know that. Let me write. In fact, this is a TSA in short way. CSA of hemisphere. What is the curved surface area of hemisphere? Hemisphere. Half. You write 4 by 2, so 2 times of pi r square. Can I write that? राइट, प्लस कवर सरफेस एरिया ऑफ कोन क्या होता है, पाई आर एल।
Pi RL.
तो लेट अस फाइंड आउट वन बाय वन। मुझे क्या करना है, पहले पाई आर स्क्वायर फाइंड आउट करेंगे हम लोग। लेट अस फाइंड, यूज पाई वैल्यू एज 22/7 he has given. Guys, whenever he is giving you like this, beta, use in such a way only. ठीक है, तो what is the radius, what is the radius बेटा, रेडियस देखो ये कितना है, रेडियस इज व्हाट, इसमें लाइक हाफ ऑफ दिस पार्ट, am I correct? Getting my point? इसको ऐसा fully if I make so it becomes a circle, radius is going to be half of that, half of the diameter 3.5, diameter 3.5 है, तो रेडियस कितना होगा 3.5/2. Clear? Any doubts? Hello guys, are you here or not beta?
No, sir, no.
Please do respond. ठीक है, sometimes what happens is like I think that I might disconnect, like due to network issue, like you might not be, you're not responding. That's what I know. It seems to me sometimes.
Okay.
Okay, तो इसको कैसे कैलकुलेट करेंगे, मुझे देखो 22/7 इंटू इसको लाइक 3.5, देखो इसको मैंने आसान सा तरीका बताता हूँ. I'll just tell you the simple way. 2 will get cancelled here. So 2 ones, 2 11s, and in fact you write like this. What आपको डेसिमल कैलकुलेशन थोड़ा दिक्कत होती है. If you are finding difficulty to solve decimal calculation, what you do here is 11/7 you write in terms of fraction. ऐसे लिख दो बस, आपको थोड़ा इजी बन जाएगा. ठीक है, 7 1 7 5 5 1 5 2 अगेन. तो व्हाट वुड यू गेट हियर नाउ, 11 into 35/20. ठीक है, 20 को कैसे लिख सकते हो, ओहो 4 7 77/4. करेक्ट, लेट इट बी एज इट इज, नो प्रॉब्लम. तो ये पाई आर एल को कैलकुलेट करेंगे थोड़ा. पाई आर एल इज नथिंग बट व्हाट हियर 22/7. फिर से रेडियस क्या दिया है, व्हाट इज द रेडियस गिवन, what is the radius, I will be using same thing 3.5/2. 3.5/2, let us write it as 35/20. Can I write like that guys? Shall I write directly 35/20?
Yes, sir.
Guys, it becomes easy. थोड़ा देखो, ध्यान से सुनिए बेटा. After that you will not understand again. देखो, I'm telling you radius can be done like this. Okay. तो into L, what is L here, मुझे L find out करना है. मुझे L is slant height. ठीक है, हाँ L आई डू नॉट नो. फॉर फाइंडिंग L देखो, थोड़ा ध्यान से देखो बेटा, बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन है, वेरी वेरी गुड क्वेश्चन. सो स्लैंट हाइट फॉर्मूला क्या था बेटा, व्हाट वाज द स्लैंट हाइट ऑफ द कोन, रेडियस स्क्वायर प्लस हाइट स्क्वायर. ठीक है, तो व्हाट इज द रेडियस हियर बेटा, मेरा रेडियस है 35. I mean, let us write simply it as 35/20 whole square plus height. What is height here? Height, how much दिया बेटा, how much he has given anything. हाँ बेटा, मुझे हाइट क्या लुका है, आई डू नॉट नो हाइट हियर. व्हाट इज हाइट हियर, बताइए मुझे, व्हाट इज हाइट, हाउ कैन आई टेक हाइट बेटा, आई डू नॉट नो हाइट हियर. हाइट ऑफ द कोन क्या होता है बेटा, ये टोटल 5 है, देखो लुक एट इट, दिस इज
Radius of hemisphere minus total height.
हाँ वेरी गुड. रेडियस ऑफ, ये रेडियस में से मैंने घटा दूंगा तो मुझे हाइट ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर थिंग आई विल गेट. एम आई करेक्ट, इजंट इट? तो मुझे क्या करना है, तो फॉर फाइंडिंग हाइट लेट अस फाइंड आउट हियर. थोड़ा मुझे इधर height is going to be what beta, 5. total height minus radius 3.5/2. ठीक है, तो 5 minus 3.5/2, so 10 minus 3.5. नहीं तो you can do one thing here. 10 minus 3.5 how much beta, 10 minus 3.5 6.5. am I correct? 6.5 है
Yes,
ना,
sir.
10 minus हाँ right by 2. so this can be written as what, 3.25. 3.25 is height here. ठीक है guys, are you able to getting my point here? देखो ध्यान से सुनिए क्लास को. 325/100 whole square. देखो ये कैलकुलेशन थोड़ा ध्यान से करना है, एवरीवन शुड मेक दिस कैलकुलेशन परफेक्टली. अप्रॉक्सिमेटली भी जस्ट यू कैन जस्ट डू दैट. You just write like this as 7 by 4 whole square. Can I write like this? 25 4 times, so 25. Guys, how many times it will go here? 25 4 times, 25 1 times, 25 5 times. Am I correct? 15 by 4. Am I correct, guys? Or else you just
Yes, sir.
square. We have square there, beta. You can do. Okay, so we have still square, right? तो क्या करेंगे इसको? देखो, let us write this as
Sir, it goes 13 times, not 15.
25 ones 21. Yes, 7 times. So 75, 75, 30 times. Exactly, beta. Thank you. So 49 by 16 plus 169 by 16. So how much you get? How much you get here? So
Root 218 by 4.
16. 16. So 16. Still you can. How can you just make this? 16 ones. 16 ones. 16 1 16. So remainder is 5. Remainder is 5. 58. 16 threes. 16 threes. 48. 48 to 10. 10 is nothing but point. So 6. 13.6 approximately. Square root of 13.6 कितना होगा बेटा? Square root of 13.6 कितना होगा? Not even 4. 3. It will be like in between 3 and 4 somewhere. 3.5 के ऊपर ही होगा मुझे लगता है. 3.5 3.6. हाँ 3.6 का आसपास. Getting my point, people? Like why I'm taking 3.6 here? Why? Because 6 into 6 36. Unit digit is 6 here. That's why I'm taking 3.6. Getting my point, logic, guys? Getting the logic here? Hello. 3.6 centimeter. 3.6.
Sir, 3.7 is way closer.
Oh, 3 point is very 7. So 3.7.
13, sorry, yeah, 3.7.
3.7 you take it. Very good. So if 3.7 is very closer, so 3.7 you can make it. No problem. So this is what I got. बेटा ये मुझे slant height. तो देखो मेरा, let us consider this equation number 1. तो from the equation number 1 can I write 22 by 7 into 35 by 10. You don't have anything here. ये तो दिखने में question looking like no looking question is looking like bulky but कुछ में कुछ नहीं है. तो calculation बच्चों वाला calculation है बस. देखो क्या है इधर L का value. What is L value? 37 by 10. Let us take 37 by 10. Correct? Any doubt, people? गाइस डोंट राइट इन डेसिमल्स. आपको कभी भी डेसिमल है तो उसको फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट कर लो. कैलकुलेशन बहुत आसान बन जाएगा. यस और नो? देखो नाउ व्हाट वी डू हियर 7 1s 7 5. ओके 2 10s 2 11s. ठीक है. और क्या 5 1s 5 2s. एनीथिंग? नो. 11 into 37 by 20. So what would you get here now? Tell me. So 370. So 370 plus 37. How much? 407 by 2. 407 by 2. Approximately how much you get? 20.21. 20 times 407 to 3. 20.3 again. 3.7 something. Am I correct? 20.37. 20.37 what? Centimeter square. Units both important है. Okay, 20 meters, 20.3 point, I mean 20.37, 37, how much? 37 or 35, 35, I think, 35, 35, 20 times, so 7, हाँ 5 times, बराबर है. ठीक है people? So what is the surface area? अब मुझे TSA क्या होता है अभी देखो. What is the TSA now? Tell me, can't you calculate after this now? Will you make this or not, guys?
Sir, 21.28.
21 point भी गलत है. Option no option. So let us, what TS is what here? So 22 by, what is the formula here? 2 pi r square, right? 2 pi r square, how much I got here? 2 pi r square, how much I got? 77 by 4, right? So 77 by 4, guys, 77 by 4 plus 77 by 4, what is the fraction value? I mean, how much you get? 77 by 4. 4 ones, 4 ones, oh, 38. So 4 nines, 19.5. Am I correct?
So 19.25.
19.25. So 19.25 beta plus 20.35 you are getting. So how much you get beta? 39 point something.
39.6.
0 centimeters per, ये ऑप्शन मेरे पास है. Yes, 39 point something I have. Yes, this option is correct बेटा. Any doubts बेटा? कोई डाउट इधर? देखो कैलकुलेशन इज like very simple thing, but it's a lengthy calculation. Very simple. थोड़ा like many of you make a mistake here. ये calculation ये है ना, ये दिखने में here you make a mistake. So while calculating the square roots, wherever you have decimals, wherever you have decimals, make sure that you are writing in a fraction and calculating it. Okay, ठीक है? Write it in a fraction form, calculate it, you will get it
Yes.
very simple. So this is what your answer is going to be, final answer. So this answer you have to just solve this question. Everyone solve this question. And yes, even one second, थोड़ा डायग्राम को छोटा बनाता है. Take the guys, these two questions are homework to you all. Everyone make sure that you are solving these questions. Okay, homework guys, these are very important for your long answer type of questions. Okay, all right, any doubts, any doubt in today's class?
No, sir.
Guys, the question whichever we have solved earlier, there was nothing actually. If you know the curved surface area of hemisphere and curved surface area of the cone, nothing. He has given pi value, radius ka value aapko pata hai. Just all we are doing here is we are finding h value extra and L value. What is L here? Slant height. What is the formula for slant height? Yes, in fact, r square plus h square. For finding slant height, I need h value. For finding h value, what I have done? From the total height, I just deducted that radius. I got 3.25 somewhere, and after that slant height, I got 3.7. After finding slant height, I just again substituted in curved surface area of the cone. So finally, I got 20.35. So this one plus that curved surface area of the hemisphere. So combinedly, it gives me 39.60. Hope it is clear. So this is what the today's session. This is what the today's session. So we'll leave the session now. We'll meet in the next session, guys. Thank you, and make sure that you are finishing the worksheets. I have given worksheets. I don't see many of you are submitting that. Very few of you are uploading the worksheet. Make sure that you are solving all the worksheet given by I. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Thank you, sir.